Hi, my name is Lucy. I'm a social worker with the Learning Disability and Autism Insights team, and I've been a social worker for coming up to 8 years now.
Hi, my name is Gwen Catton. I'm a social worker, newly qualified with the Learning Disability and Autism Insights team.
Hi, my name's Sharon. I'm a newly qualified social worker. I work with the Learning Disabilities and Autism team at Newcastle City Council.
Just the idea of being able to help people and help people who are in vulnerable situations. I liked that idea and wanted to work with both adults and children. So yeah, social work seemed like the good choice.
I was initially working as a psychologist before, but I realized, I always thought actually that the individual part and the social part needs to be combined. I also come from Colombia, South America, and I'm very passionate working in communities.
Prior to being a social worker, I worked as a support worker in an ISL for people with learning disabilities. While I was there, I realised how many people within the service were told what they couldn't do rather than what they could do. And I felt that if I became a social worker, I could actually empower people to do as much as they could rather than focus on what they couldn't do.
I think every day there are lots of challenges that you face, but one of which I do have a specific example, and it's dealing with bereavement when you've worked with a service user for a long time and supported them to make changes and they pass away. That can be quite challenging.
I think the biggest challenge in my career has been working maybe in the political social context we are right now. I think that it's hard due to what everyone knows, obviously, in regards to finances, money, and how the teams are working as well, and some shortages that we would not like to have.
I was amazed about the broad abilities of people who are diagnosed with learning disabilities and autism, and it's really difficult sometimes to adapt your practice so that you meet everybody's needs and talk to them in a positive way, focusing on what they can actually do.
Give yourself time at the end of every day to have some time to yourself, whether or not it's singing in the car or going for a run. I think you all have different challenges every day, and it's really important to give yourself some downtime, otherwise it can become quite stressful.
I think that you have to research and be sure what you're going to do. If you have an idea in your head, I would go and research what you want to do.
Be adaptable, be organised, and keep your sense of humour.